Want these cool 3D PSP animation on your phone? There are two simple methods. Method 1. Open your editing software. I'm using Blurr, but you can use any software you want. Just make sure it has a 3D effect called raster extrude or grid extrusion. Add a PNG of your PSP. Then, apply the raster extrude effect and set up your animation however you want. Now let's animate. Add a keyframe on rotation. On the first keyframe, set the value to -44x and y35. On the second keyframe, change the value to x18, y20, and z-5. You can use a graph like this or customize it as you like. Next, add a keyframe for scale. On the first keyframe, set the size to 44. For the second keyframe, make it 85, and again, add your desired graph. There you have it. A 3D PSP, but that's not accurate. You can use this method, but it's not an actual fucking 3D. That's why, in the method 2, we're not using fake 3D, we'll use an actual 3D model. First, visit websites like Sketchfab or Free3D to download a 3D model of your choice. Once you have your model, open Node Video application. Why? Because not all software has a 3D model import option, but Node does. Start a new project in Node. Click Add, then choose 3D, then Import. Make sure your 3D file is supported. Node only supports these formats. Add your 3D file to the project. If your model looks too small or misplaced, just adjust its position until it fits well. Now, add 2 keyframes at position. On the first keyframe, change the Z value to -0.65. On the second keyframe, -0.86. On rotation, add 2 keyframes. The first one, -1.90, -0.45, and on the second keyframe, -1.04, -0.51, and -0.05. Then add this graph to both position and rotation. Now add a green screen so you can use it anywhere you want. Remember, you can use any 3D model you want. This PSP is just a demo. If you have any questions or run into problems, comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and follow my Instagram for more tutorials just like this.